Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so I'm trying something new, a new episode for you guys. And I'm going to call this Conspiracy Theories. And if you guys actually enjoy these, do let me know in the comment section of the video. And in that way, I will do more of these type videos. Also, if you just found my channel, I really appreciate that if you hit the subscribe button and the bell option to be notified when I drop other videos. But let's get into conspiracy theories, and we're going to be talking about Apple leading the way to the $1,000 threshold, right? Do you guys think that maybe Apple knew what they were doing and that they were setting up Android OEMs for failure, and they knew that they could do this by being the, being the Pied Piper, right? Playing that flute and getting all these things to follow in line and follow it out, and then leading it into a trap. And I think that Apple may have. Here's my conspiracy theory. So Apple knew that the way that they could actually beat out their competition was to cross a certain threshold. A threshold that would have people in shock and awe and questioning how could they, the audacity, the nerve of them to do it. And they did it. And they started charging over $1,000 for a flagship device. And they would spitball all kinds of reasons why it would cost $1,000. Then you look at last year. Last year, the iPhone 11 released at $749. And while most of you guys will say, well, the year before they released the iPhone XR, and that's all they did was they just dropped the R in it and just called it the iPhone 11. Whatever. The genius behind it. $749 for the iPhone 11, and then the Pro and the Pro Max. Given the name Pro and Pro Max, right? That warrants a pricing at that height for all the things that you can do with it. But the 11, the iPhone 11, the sole part of Apple, the iPhone, the 11th variation of it, $749. It did not cross 1,000. But you had Google on their Pixel 4, people questioning the pricing of it because of the features it has and some of the experiences that people gain from it didn't seem to be at what Google priced it. And Samsung just already followed that one and went, boom, over $1,000 for things like the Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Z Flip. You're looking at the Galaxy S20 Ultra is over $1,000, and other OEMs are following in that price range. They're making their devices much, much more expensive, which then makes the consumers much, much more turned off, trying to buy these flagships and looking for other things. And here Apple swoops in looking like the hero, the light at the end of the tunnel, talking about, we know you guys are frustrated with the $1,000 price tag, and we are here to bring you devices that are within your budget range, i.e. the iPhone 9 and the iPhone SE 2. The iPhone SE 2, $299 I heard, and the iPhone 9, $399. So that's under $500. And we're talking about devices that has iPhone 11 specs with an iPhone older body, right? The iPhone 9 will look just like my iPhone 7, just looks like an iPhone 8. I mean, yes, it has a glass back for wireless charging, but yes, it pretty much holds that same body style, same design look from the iPhone 6 up to the iPhone 8. It is the iPhone 9. And yeah, did that set other Android OEMs who tend to follow Apple's movements? They set them up for failure, and then Apple did this on purpose to come out looking like the heroes. We shall see. That's my conspiracy theory, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. You guys can leave out long, detailed comments. I would appreciate it. If you guys did, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you guys let me know in the comment section, and I will research other things, and we will do more conspiracy theories together. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. If you just found my channel again, I would appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you did, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop not only just more conspiracy theory episodes, but just other tech news stuff that I talk about, things like that. You guys won't miss any of those with notifications turned on. It will help you. But that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, aloha.